Some leaders have teams ready to run through a wall for them. Others can't get commitment on a single task. Why? I've studied leaders who didn't just lead, they multiplied leaders. Different industries, different styles, but the same pattern kept showing up. Leaders who build deep loyalty don't rely on charisma. They build empowerment. And empowerment isn't a personality trait. It is a system. I call it SIEPP, S-I-E-P-P. 5 pillars. Let us get right into it. Pillar number 1, S for security. A secure leader empowers. An insecure one controls. Jack Welch inherited 9 layers of management at General Electric. He tore them down. He launched sessions where employees, not executives, diagnosed problems and decided solutions on the spot. You may be wondering what his logic was. Controlling slows you down. A leader who is truly secure doesn't need to have every answer. They build the room and let others shine. Security isn't confidence in your title. It is confidence in your identity, which leads us to pillar number 2, I for identity. The strongest leaders stand on their values, not their position. When Indra Nooyi became CEO of PepsiCo, she did something unusual. She wrote personal letters to the parents of her top executives, thanking them for raising leaders. That one act told her entire organization, this leader knows who she is. And when your leader knows who they are, you know exactly where you stand. Identity-driven leaders don't demand respect through rank. They earn it through character. Maybe you are wondering where your leadership identity actually stands. I built something for you. It is called the Leader Identity Audit. You can grab it for free using the link in the description below. It takes less than 10 minutes and it will give you a clear picture of where your leadership identity is strong and where it has blind spots. All right, back to it. Pillar number 3, E for empathy. Empathetic leaders create an environment where people can do their best work, especially under pressure. When COVID-19 shut down the hospitality industry, Marriott CEO Ann Sorensen went on camera. He was visibly sick from cancer treatment. He cut his own pay first. Then he walked his team through every hard decision transparently. Employees didn't panic. They rallied, not because they were fine, but because their leader removed fear with honesty. Empathy isn't softness. It is the courage to make people feel less alone. Pillar number 4, P for purpose. People don't give their best to a paycheck. They give it to a cause. Ivan Schweinert, founder of Patagonia, didn't just talk about purpose. In 2022, he gave the entire company away to a trust dedicated to fighting climate change. His words, Earth is our only shareholder. And his employees, they didn't need a pep talk. They knew exactly why they showed up. Not for perks, title. They showed up for a cause bigger than themselves. That is what purpose does. It gives people an identity inside their work. And when people know who they are in what they do, you don't manage motivation. You get out of their way. Last but not least, the 5th pillar is P for perspective. Perspective is about leading for tomorrow, not just surviving today. Jamie Dimon put it plainly. Entering a crisis is not the time to figure out what you want to be. You need a vision before trouble hits. Satya Nadella rebuilt Microsoft's entire culture around learning and collaboration. That investment paid off in ways that are still compounding. Perspective means developing your people now so the organization is built for what is next. To close, I just shared with you a simple yet powerful system to empower your team. SIEPP for security, identity, empathy, purpose, and perspective. Easy to remember if you like sipping coffee or tea, although it is written differently. As you adopt it, you will develop the identity of leaders who build other leaders. And the leaders who last, they lead from inside out. If you want to go deeper on one of the biggest traps leaders fail into, confusing their identity with their title, I've got a video on that. A lot of leaders don't realize it is happening to them. Watch it next. God bless.